Hello, thanks for being in a new video. This time I'm going to tell you what I liked most and least about the OnePlus Nord 4, in case you're considering buying it. So as always, let me tell you, don't buy the OnePlus Nord 4 without watching this video. Let's consider its launch price, which has been 12,999 pesos. On screen you see the reference price in dollars just to give you an idea. Although remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. Interestingly, OnePlus's strategy is a bit strange because it applied a practically permanent promo that reduced the price to 8,999 pesos. At that price, we can forgive him a lot more things, but we always use the launch price for these evaluations. So let's start with what I liked the most. We find aluminum frames and also aluminum back cover, something unusual in today's industry and gives a very premium feel to the touch, so it is an inviting device to be used, without a case for a more pleasant experience. Not only does it have a vibration motor on the X-axis, but the operating system applies it very well. So the feedback on the hand when you are interacting with your cell phone is very premium. It is not only activated when you are typing on the keyboard, but also when you slide in some settings or when you turn on buttons and the like. Portrait selfie photography does detect objects, giving you a much more realistic result. This should be noted because there are other devices that blur everything that is not body and the results look very artificial. But this OnePlus Nord 4 does it very well. It also has a more advanced document scanner than usual. That is, it not only crops the image but can also process and apply color filters. The main camera does take advantage of the cutout in the sensor to offer digital zoom that seems to be of optical quality. In fact, the camera also excels in night photography, not only with the main camera, but also with the ultra-wide camera and also by applying cropping inside the sensor. Portrait photography also gives very good quality and allows you to have a perspective as if it had a telephoto lens that also retains good quality. This device also integrates good artificial intelligence features, like creating summaries, also removing objects or people from some images and many other things, so it is well endowed with this kind of modern features. It also has good security options such as a secure safe, child mode, repair mode, among others. So it is very clear that at the software level it has good features. A good development behind the charging power is 100 watts. So it is capable of charging in 15 minutes to 45% and the full charge in my test finish in just 36 minutes. It also offers a good suite of additional tools and add-ons when gaming. In fact, for gaming it is a very good device, with very outstanding performance under heating, and it seems that the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is fully recommended for gaming and any other activity. But now let me tell you what I didn't like. It's not capable of taking raw photos, so if you wanted to take advantage of these kinds of more professional photography features, unfortunately they're not available here. The ultra-wide camera does not have the same color rendering as the main camera, although this is getting a little picky. But I would prefer a more similar coloring between the two cameras because they look very different pictures. In the price range, the zoom falls short because it does not integrate a telephoto camera, although we had already said that it does take good advantage of the high-resolution sensor for digital zoom. But in medium-range zoom it falls very short. The front camera only records in full HD. This is unfortunate in this price range. It should definitely record in 4K, so if you wanted this device to create content such as blogs and the like, you will not have so much quality. In fact, with the rear cameras, you'll notice that the ultra-wide camera doesn't record in 4K or even full HD at 60 frames per second. Plus, while you're recording, you can switch between lenses, and in fact, the ultra-wide camera records in fairly simple quality. And if you try to zoom in, you will also notice that the video recording does not look quality, so it is a device that I would not recommend so much if your priority is to record video. The 5500 mAh battery in my test did not perform as it should. I have read that some others have a wonderful experience on the battery, so I would like you to leave your opinion in the comments. In the testing I do compared to other devices, this one fell short. They don't include you charger in the box. While we were saying that the charging power is a positive, consider that charger must be purchased separately, plus it must be a superbox charger. Charger if you want to take advantage of all the charging power. But let me know in the comments your opinion if you already bought it. For the moment, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If so, you know you can tell us, and we'll see you next time.